This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Noctura Syrup is a melatonin-based solution designed to help manage sleep disorders effectively. It is particularly beneficial for adults suffering from jet lag and children aged 6 to 17 years with ADHD-related sleep onset insomnia. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the management of jet lag, a temporary sleep problem experienced by individuals traveling across multiple time zones quickly. Additionally, it is useful for addressing sleep onset insomnia in children and adolescents aged 6 to 17 years who have attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, and have not found relief through other sleep routine measures. How it works. The syrup functions by restoring the body's natural biological rhythm, helping synchronize day and night cycles to alleviate symptoms like fatigue and irritability caused by sleep disturbances. Directions for use. Take this syrup as directed by your physician. It is essential to shake the bottle well before use and measure the dose accurately using a measuring cup or spoon. Your doctor will determine the appropriate dosage and duration based on your age, body weight, and severity of the condition. Possible side effects. Common side effects include headache and sleepiness, while less common effects may involve irritability, dizziness, and abdominal pain. If any side effects worsen or persist, consult a healthcare provider. Precautions and warnings. Use this syrup cautiously in individuals with impaired liver or kidney function, epilepsy, autoimmune diseases, or diabetes. It is not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women. Avoid alcohol consumption and smoking, as these can adversely affect treatment outcomes. FAQs. 1. What is Noctura Syrup used for? It is used to manage jet lag and sleep onset insomnia in children and adolescents with ADHD. 2. Is it safe for pregnant women? No, it is contraindicated for pregnant women. 3. Can I drink alcohol while using this syrup? It is advised to avoid alcohol as it can impair sleep. 4. How does this syrup work? It helps to restore the body's natural day and night rhythm. 5. What are the side effects? Common side effects include headache and sleepiness. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below. We appreciate your support.